In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the pen block. Keep watching till the end to see how to make 3 simple geometric shapes. Welcome to Dabmc. If you're new to this channel, I post regular videos on Minecraft, Scratch programming, and gaming videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Also, click the bell so you never miss a video. Today's topic is about the pen block. You might be wondering, what is pen block? Well, you won't find it here. Well, you might find it if you are me, that is because I've already added it. But to add it, you won't find it here. There'll be no pen block. Ignore this pen. You will only see up to my blocks. Only up to there. But there's also this button, add extensions. And you can add all sorts of extensions, even from Google. But today we have even so many of them to show, but today we're going to be focusing on one. And it's not music, not video sensing, and it's definitely not translating. It's pen, using the pen block. Today we're going to be using this pen block, and mine's glitched. Great. Yeah. Okay. So this is for later on. These 3 are for later on. Do not read this. Definitely should not read this. This is definitely not something you should be reading, and I can't even go down right. Okay. So these will be for later on, but what is the pen block? The pen block is a block you can use to do different stuff, such as erasing everything. You can raise the screen, you can stamp, and you can do all sorts of crazy things. But first of all, I'm going to be showing you simplicity. So what we want to do is we want to say move 100 steps. This will load, thank you. And stamp. As you can see, it has created a copy of this cat. Which one's the real one? Nobody knows. Is this the real one? No, it's not. Is this the real one? No. This is the real one. These are all fake. And then after that, we must be like, how do you clear it? Simple. Go here. You have this button, erase all. And then you go here. Simply touch a button. Kaboom. Now I'm like, why is there still a cat here? Oh my god! It's because it's the real one. Sprite 1. In case you forgot to. Highlighting it for you. Highlight blocks. Highlight box. So now we can just say bye bye, or we can just do the delete button. There we go. So next, let me show you this block. Oh, I'm so laggy. Let's show you the pen down block. The pen down block is simple. So pen down, let's say pen down, and let's say move to 100 steps. 100! 100 is the key! Woohoo! And then, no, we don't do that, we do this. And as you can see, it creates a straight line. Completely straight. No curves, no nothing. And then if you move this back, as you can see, it's a straight line. And then I can create more straight lines. I can create masterpieces. Woohoo! Masterpiece! And then I can go here. And then I can say 7. And then it'll go up, won't it? Yep, it will. And you can create masterpieces with this. And I'm gonna say negative 99, negative 99, and then whoop whoop whoop. There we go. And this is my masterpiece, sold for $20 trillion. Nobody else in the world. $20 billion sold. It's not even great. But who cares? And we need to go back to 10. And it's so laggy. And we need to click this button. I'm going to raise my masterpiece because someone bought it. And he did not. And that's great. I'm sad. No, I'm not sad. Let's make this 290. Okay. There we go. And now it's straight. Yay. So what next? We have the pen up. So if we do the pen up, okay, as you can see, if we did the pen down, it will move forward. But let's do this. But then let's say pen up and move 100 squares. Let's move this back here. This will not work. No. As you can see, if I just move this here, I play this. As you can see, this is what the pen up does. Does nothing. Because it's basically like you have a real pencil. Yes, a real pencil. You're writing, and then your teacher tells you to put it up because you're not supposed to be writing, and then start writing again. That's exactly what this is. Next, we have the set pen color. This is pretty simple. So let's say we want to set to red. Let's move it back. There we go. Erase all. Erase. There we go. And now we click this, and now it's red. And now if you change the color to black, it's black. And then if we want to change it to purple, let's say saturation color, saturation, let's say purple, that's not purple, this is purple, let's say we want it to be purple, purple. And that's what we have. Let's make it pink, because like why not? Yeah, and I'm done. So that's basically what that does. Changes your color. So then we have change pen color by color or saturation. This is what this does. So change pen color by 10. So basically, it's kind of like this. You see this is red, right? See this color is red. When you click this, so it's 1, right? But then, if you click this, it will change its color. So let's say move 100 steps. It will change. As you can see, it's 10 more. But if we remove this, and we put this down here, it's red completely. That was a glitch. It's completely red now. And that's what that does. And you can also change this to be saturation, which is basically how like white it is. As you can see, it has changed. Not noticeable. You can't see it, but it has. And we can say brightness by 10. If we just change brightness to, let's say, 57, changing it by 10. That's what that does. And then after that we have this transparency, how transparent it is. That's simply what this block does. It's a command. Simple, very simple command. Next we have set pen color to 50. Let's set it 50. Let's do this. As you can see, the color is blue. Why? And you can also do this for brightness, transparency, all that stuff. Set pen color. Why? This is because, as you can see, it's red but now, if I put this up, a bluish color. That is because it changes it. As you can see, this is 1, and this is 50. So it changes it to that color, and you can also do it for all these other reasons, saturation, brightness, and transparency. Next, we have change pen size by. This is a pretty simple one. So basically, all you have to do is you drag this here, which is not important, but I will do it so you can see. Let's change this to 10. Wait, first of all, let's change it like this. As you can see, it's completely normal, but not anymore. Now, as you can see, 6. It's increasing by 10 every time. If I go all the way here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I go down here. If I can move it, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Humongous one. And then I can just be like 1, 2, 3, 4. And I can just be like this. Hey, let me go here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I can just be like, really? 1, 2, 3, 4. And now the whole screen is just that. Ta-da! Now we have set pen size to change. Now we can set it. So that was just changing it every time we clicked it. But now we can set it to, let's say, 10. We set it to 10. And now it's 10. Now if we set it to 100, let's say, and now it's huge. And then we set to 10, 10, and now it's 10. That looks like a lollipop. Wonderful. Then we can send this to 23, 234, and be 234. That's what that does. Erase all. Now we can delete all of this. Now comes the best bit of all, how to make the shapes. This is the part I've been waiting for. Not really, but you know what? It's fine. I'll do it. So now what we do is we click this button, and we have multiple shapes here. Oops. We have multiple shapes to show you guys today. We have 3 of them. We have the square, the triangle, and the pentagon. So first of all, if we want to create the square, very basic, we need to do pen down, which is this button right here. Then we need to say repeat 4 times. In our previous lessons, we have learned what this control does. So that means if you haven't known what this is, go check out this video. It's in the link up above. After we've done that, we need to say, just to make our life simpler, we use a repeat. But you can also just use this and then duplicate it all the way. And then just click this button. So you basically just duplicate it 4 times. That's what you do. And then you just, once you're done, you basically just put it in the trash can because we don't need it. And then after we've done that, this is our square. Da 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 da. Wait, doesn't work like that. So this is a square. If you do this, this is what you'll appear with. A perfect square. Now we have the triangle. The triangle is pen down. This time you do repeat 3 times. You move 80 steps and you turn 120 degrees. So if I click this, you'll get a triangle. And our final one for today, we have the pentagon. So the pentagon is pen down, repeat 5 times, then you do move 80 steps, then you turn 72 degrees every time. And if I do this, I get a pentagon. That's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Also, click the bell so you never miss a video. Saying this, bye guys!